How to take a screenshot of Telegram's private channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily take screenshot in a Telegram's private channel. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to take a screenshot of a private channel in Telegram, then first thing you'll have to do is open up your Telegram and make sure that you are logged into your account. And as you can see here, I have a channel created, and here I've sent some pictures for the channel. So if you want to take a screenshot in a private channel, what you're going to have to do is tap on the chat or anything that you want to take a screenshot of, and then simply take a normal screenshot by pressing volume down and power button, and it will easily take a screenshot. So there are no active restrictions for private channels in Telegram. It is a different thing that you won't be able to download the medias to your gallery, but you typically can take screenshot of anything in a private Telegram channel. So that's pretty much it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.